definitely this video is just going to be an encouragement video, right? And I want to encourage everybody who is on a hair journey, or you might be starting a hair journey. You might just start your hair journey, right? And I feel like I need to encourage you. I know I'm not far into my hair journey. It's just like 11 months or so I'm into my hair journey. But I think I still need to encourage some people, because I looked at videos and I see like people you've been on a hair journey for a time. So I'm gonna encourage you today and tell you not to quit your hair journey, right? It doesn't matter how short your hair might be. If you are determined to grow your hair out long, it will grow long, right? And I'm a testimony of that, because my hair was really, really short, like up here, and now my hair is like here in just 11 months. Yeah, right? So I just want to tell you guys to continue with your hair journey. I know you might be having setbacks as well. I know you might be having your setbacks, but I still want to encourage you. You can overcome those setbacks no matter what they are. You can overcome them, because if you look at other persons inspiring videos on YouTube, like for example, we have my Jamaican girl, I forgot her name, and then we have Black Afro hair. I think she's English. And there's so many other inspirational videos where persons' hair were like up here and it's waist length and stuff like that. So you guys should continue on your hair journey no matter what. You must always be determined. Make sure to deep condition, moisturize and seal, and be consistent. Consistency is key, right? You know that you start out, just keep your eye on the goal, right? You have to be determined, right? I'm not the same thing when you were in college. I'm sure that when you all were in college, you were determined to graduate and you worked towards graduating to get a decent GPA and stuff. You can do the same. Just believe in yourself, right? So if your heart can conceive it, if your mind can, I think that's how it goes, right? If your mind can conceive it and your heart can believe it, then you can achieve it. All you have to do is believe that you can. I believe that I'm going to grow waist length hair in about 3 to 4 years, and I will, and I'm gonna stand you to here, my hair all right here, and I'm gonna show you guys my hair all long hair. Grow it, Nikki. Thank you guys for watching. Stay on your hair journey, girls, ladies. I love you all. Stay on your hair journey. Don't quit. Quitting ain't going to make it better. Just stay in. Rate, comment, subscribe.